Hello everyone. I am here very excited. ChatAthena is finally live. Yes, you asked and we listened. The moment you have been waiting for, this is finally arrived. ChatAthena is live today and it is ready for you to test. Its advanced capabilities in audience research, content creation, and social listening. Yes, audience research, you can research, you can switch the tab here. There are two versions. You can focus on research area, you can augment your existing research, or you can use it for content creation, or you can switch on to the advanced module here. You can select the Reddit, Quora, and other sources. If you have subscription to Reddit, Quora, you can easily inject all the user generated content into ChatAthena. From now onwards, you can use ChatAthena as a complement to ChatGPT and also your ultimate research assistant. Because now with ChatAthena, you can make your research more exciting and you can inject more value directly drawing from the user generated content and social listening. So ChatAthena is here to revolutionize the way you create content, the way you create research with CrawlQ. And don't keep this guys with you. This is amazing tool. This is going to evolve. This is going to get much better as you interact with it. I'll show you in a minute that how you can make it a more better and better yourself as you work with it. Okay. So please share this news with your colleagues, your friends, and try Chat Athena now from today, and you will experience the difference for yourself. Okay. So to start with, we already have a persona here. We are targeting in this persona a tech-savvy young adult who is addicted to learn about new gadgets and looking for new ways to innovate in their field. And basically, we are targeting people who wanted to learn or looking for best resources for 3D printing. Okay. So here our persona is Josh, who is a 21-year-old college student, and he has been struggling with finding the right course material, guides, and reviews to get started in 3D printing. He wants to learn about 3D printing technology and without getting overwhelmed by the technology jargons and complex tutorials. So, to get started with ChatAthena, you will just click this icon or you can access it from the navigation bar also. Once you are inside, you can switch between two mode, research and writing mode. You also have basic and advanced mode. I'll explain in short. You can take some examples here for now. Let's say what are the best practices for conducting market research on a specific product or services, right? So either we can alter this or most of the time we also know what is our product or service. So let's say I will change it to 3D printing resources. Okay, so we are asking question to Athena, what are the best practices for conducting market research on 3D printing resources? That's an hypothetical question or example. You can mold it in a way that suits to your research question, but these type of prompts will help you to frame it, right? So here, what are the best practices to conduct market research for 3D printing resources? Market research is an important step in any successful product or service launch. It can be particularly difficult to get right for 3D printing. Here are few tips for performing market research on 3D printing resources. Identify your target audience, research competitors, read reviews, test different strategies. So this is a starting point, right? You can build upon this. You can take one of the question, how to research competitors, how to collect reviews, or any kind of thing that is just going on inside your mind while interacting with Athena. You can also click on the advanced mode. You can select market research, or if you have subscription to Reddit and Quora, you will be activating the social listening mode of Athena. So here, if suppose I say Quora or Reddit, both these sources I can select and I can then frame my questions or responses that Athena is going to frame will be based on, in addition to market research, also on the Reddit and Quora, and I can ask the same answer again. So in this case, I'm going to get a slightly different response, but we know that we are switching on the Reddit and Quora mode at this stage, the social listening mode. So then you will get more different type of input or structure. Yeah, again, here identify the target audience, research the competitor, conduct interviews, right? So it has changed the structure of the information. And you can see here, you can copy this response. You will be able to copy this. You can edit this response. So if you have very ideal response that you think you should get, or you have some your own research or idea, you can save the response. Okay, after editing this, you can like this response. This will really help us to collect more information or the output that you liked. You can dislike this information, so it all will also help that these kind of outputs are not useful for our users. So if you like it and also edit the response, then it will really help us to customize this for your own specific use case. So listen to me again, your own workspace, your own specific use case. And imagine that if you interact more or you correct more output or these responses and put their ideal responses, you can even use ChatGPT to generate the same answer and put your ideal response here. If you do it in few days, we can again fine tune it, and you will see that you have created a custom ChatGPT like chatbot using Athena for you. So take this advantage, because this is going to considerably change the quality of the output, the way you want it, or you can leverage your work, right? You can leverage the entire work that you did on your market research. So it's very simple to get started, and obviously you can switch on between the research and writing mode. You can switch from basic to advanced mode. The type of prompt that are in the research mode are more oriented towards asking research oriented questions, more actionable insights and ideas. On the writing mode, the idea is more to ask questions. For example, top 10 blog ideas, topics, or expand upon a topic. And you will see yourself. Don't hesitate to put yourself in some boundaries. Try different types of question that you can think of in the same language as Athena has learned, right? And play with it and edit your responses, like your responses. And at some point of time, we should know that we can write a cold email, we can write a Facebook post, we can write a LinkedIn post. So more you play with it, record your correct responses, and more we fine tune it, the system, you will get better and better. So think of this, that you are creating your own custom chat GPT on top of your workspaces, right? And it is specific to the workspace. So if you have different types of workspaces, you need to create it specific to a workspace, right? So your feedback will help us to customize this chat GPT for you. Remember that for the basic mode, for every response, more than 300 or up to 500 sometime words, and we charge 50 credits for the basic response. For advanced response, due to the social listening, due to the information that we are getting from different sources, and also changes in the model parameter, the credits are 150, so three times of it. But at the same time, you get more advanced output. For example, you want a cold email, you want a different template, and this will continue to improve as you start editing these responses and recording your ideal responses. Remember, that's how ChatGPT is also learning with your interactions. So if you make sure that you spend time, correct some output. And one more thing, that once we stabilize this version, we are also going to backfeed Athena, so Athena training, with these recorded outputs, right? Your corrected output. Now imagine that we are two-way training Athena. One is collecting the data from different sources, doing the market research, right? Then you are editing these responses, and this is going back to Athena training once you retrain the Athena for your workspace. So imagine how powerful it can get if you really interact with it, spend time with it, and you make your responses better, right? So it is open for testing. That's it. With Chat Athena, you will be quickly and easily able to generate high quality research and content that will really align with your goals and your audiences. Okay, so please give it a try. Don't forget to share this news to your colleagues, to your friends, and please provide your feedback. because more feedback you provide directly or here into the way feedback is designed, more better this will get for you. For now, thank you and all the best with Chat Athena. And I'm here to listen to your feedback and improve this further. Okay? Enjoy today and take care and let's get keep going. Okay? Bye.